What is going on, ham fam? Hope you're having a great morning, afternoon, evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Welcome back to the channel. I know, once again, it's been a long time, but it's storm season, and as some of you know, not all of you, I'm a lineman, so I've been chasing some storm. Just got off for 3 weeks almost straight. A lot of my other boys, they're still working, so God bless them. Hopefully they're safe. Hopefully they stay safe. But we have a package today. Now, last video you've seen is the Billy Bars tailgate review. Pretty sweet installation right here. But this is something I've been waiting on for a while. And this is going to be bullet point mounting solutions. Now these right here, I'm sure you see on a lot of Jeeps and overland vehicles because they just do an amazing job holding your stuff. Now, disclaimer, not pointing any fingers. I reached out to this company. They accepted a sponsorship agreement, and when everything was said and done, I was supposed to be receiving these products, and I never did. So I just went ahead and bought it myself. I waited like a month to email them several other times, make sure everything was good on my end, ask them if there was any other problems, why I wasn't getting any emails back, but whatever. I'll still make a video for you guys because I really do like your products, but whatever. So anyways, I have the aux beam mount right here, and this will mount my 8 gang switch for all my rock lights and stuff like that, bumper lights, ditch lights, everything like that. So this right here is just a universal phone mount, very high quality spring right there. Everything's made out of like billet aluminum or something. And this right here is the actual base. So this goes on the front of your F-150 little above the radio. So yeah, we're going to be installing this, and then I also have a Boost Auto wireless charging station kind of thing. So in the front of the dash, you can open that up, and then I'll show you guys later, but it's going to be pretty sweet. Alright, so first and foremost, all you're going to do is open up this bag right here and get this trim removal tool. And we're going to come in here and take out this little cover. Okay, that's step one. And we're going to carefully pry open this speaker thing. So, get this for you guys without breaking it. Alright, once you got this little cover off, it's only 4 little clips. Start from the front. Once you get that front pried off, work your way to the back clips. And I couldn't use the one that it was provided with, but this was a little stronger. This actual like circle clip tool. So then, once you get all that off, oh, I don't want to ruin my dash. Where is the other tool? So once you get all that off, let's see if I can get it out here. Oh, wait. Nope. So, you just pry that off from the front, and then you have to disconnect your speaker. And I also just dropped my tool behind the dash. So I'll have to find that later. Alright, now I also love how Bullet Point Mounting Solutions has everything in the kit with you that you need. So they give you a screwdriver, they give you the little nut driver, all bolts, replacement bolts, drill bit even. And what I'm about to do now is take the mounting top portion off. Set that to the side, and then you're going to come down here and then basically get it where you want in position. And then I can also actually get the drill bit ready and then go ahead and start drilling everything. So with it in position, then go ahead and drill. Go ahead and score them first. That way you know exactly where you're going. Alright, now I'm going to finish drilling these out, and then we can mount the entire base. Alright, now that we got that all mounted, nice and secure, before I put this top cap back on, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drill a little slot right here, so I can have my MICTUNING 8-gang switch come through here as well, because I'm going to have to feed that behind the radio. And then I'm going to mount the phone mount and then the MICTUNING switch mount as well, so these base plates. And this is like a 3-for-1 video because I have a Boost Auto install, a MICTUNING install and the bullet point mounting solution. So that was the thing I was waiting on, like I was saying earlier in the video. Everything else has already been here. So upon unboxing this beautiful thing right here, this right here is the MICTUNING 8-gang switch plate. Now, very, very simple. And like I said, the only thing I have to do is just drill a hole for this big enough to go through the bottom so I can fish it behind the radio, go through the firewall, and hit the actual panel right here that's going to be mounted to the battery. So the thing I really like about this is it's nice and clicky, it's RGB, and everything can be ran to the engine bay and shorten up wires rather than everything running through the firewall into the dash, you know, to regular switches. So this right here is going to eliminate a lot of wiring problems, and it's just going to make it stupid clean on the inside because obviously it's going to be mounted right here onto the dash facing towards me. So I really can't wait for this. It's going to button up the interior a lot. This is dang near going to be, besides some carbon fiber stuff, and if I could find some Raptor seats, I would love that. But kind of the last little bit of the interior stuff. Maybe get an iPad mounted retrofit mini iPad down below, like where the AC panels are or controls are. Not sure, but there's not too much I really want to do to the interior as of now. But this right here will button up everything else, just because it's going to be like the whole command center of the truck. So it's going to look really good. All right, and while we have everything mounted, next thing we got to do is start getting ready to disassemble the dash, kind of, so we can go ahead and get this Boost Auto wireless charger that's gonna go be sitting right here installed. So I'm just gonna take off this kick panel right here. As you can see, that's fairly simple. I'm gonna start sliding seats back and forth, but once you take off this right here, this panel, there's going to be a cover bolt right here with a 10 mil, and then on the driver's side there's going to be one that is a 7 mil, which I'll show you. And there's basically 6 bolts, 3 on each side, that retain this right here, this console in general. And then once we get that done, we can remove this bezel right here, and then remove this passenger 120 or 110 trim piece, and you can pull up this right here, center console area, and then plug and play the adapters, and then reinstall everything. So it's not too shabby of an install. More importantly, I just wanted to go ahead and get it all done with this off, so that way I didn't have to redo everything twice. Alright, so once you got all 6 bolts out on the side, like I said, they're pretty self-explanatory. On the driver's side, you're going to have that little gold area right there is going to be covered up by your trim piece, and that's going to be 7 mil. You have a bolt right there in the front, 10 mil, one right there under the seat, and then you're going to move your seat all the way forward, like this position right here, and there's a bolt right there on both sides. Those are also 10s. So once you remove all those, next thing to do is just come under here, open your console up, get your pry tool, and pop these bad girls open. Oh no, don't have to put it in neutral, that's good. And put that right there. And there's going to be 2 T20 bolts right here in the middle. And we're going to go ahead and remove those. Alright, and once you start to get a little frustrated like me, because I had this shifter right here. Some of the video on Boost Auto has the Prindle gear shifter. So all I had to do was just pull the, reach back here, pull the console back a little bit further, and I got quite a bit of a leverage out of it. Unscrewed the 4 7mm bolts right here, and then this bad girl is all yours. So now I definitely gotta clean it. She is filthy. Then we're gonna remove this right here. Alright, next you're gonna find your cigarette lighter plug, and then grab your wire harness from Boost Auto. Nice, clean as usual, with a built-in fuse, just in case anything happens to go wrong. You can just replace that fuse, and it protects everything on the system. So go ahead and unplug this one right here. And then once you have your adapter in, you are good to go. Go ahead and coil up all these wires right here. Place them on top of the air vent right here. And then all we have to do now is then drill the hole for our center console mount. Alright, and now once you've drilled your hole, very nice, clean, hold up, sorry. Very nice, clean install. All you gotta do is drill a hole right there under the bend. And then fish that wire through. Go ahead and start reassembling everything. Alright, got that all back assembled. Easy peasy. Now I'm about to take this kick plate right here, dash panel, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to route my MICTUNING switch panel wire all the way down through this grommet. As most of you know, it's on the left side of the brake pedal up there. Most of you know you can pull all your wires through there, so I'm going to go ahead and do that and then start hooking up the switch panel. Alright, got it all buttoned up. Clean you guys off real quick. I mean, look at that. Look how dark that tin is, bro. That's double 5 with the 15 and the 5 on the windshield. I just got this windshield done the other day, and the whole bottom side is coming off. Like, I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, the whole bottom side's coming off. Whatever. But anyways, got the MICTUNING switch panel installed. I do have my ditch lights installed right now. Wired those up. I basically ran that grommet right here, your access grommet. You can see a little air light or light right there. Ran that behind the firewall shield, and then all the way to here. Just get your red, obviously your positive, and then your negative. Hook it straight to the battery, hardwired. Then I tapped in an accessory fuse to a 5 amp, I think it's a USB charger fuse accessory. And then once you open up your switch panel directions, you can see which ones go where, what circuits go to what, and vice versa. So pretty useful. I did hook the 10 amp up to the ditch lights because they already have a built-in relay that are already connected right here. So other than that, I'm getting ready to wire up all the bumper lights finally. And this is going to make this super simple. All I got to do is just get one positive, one negative. I'm going to twist them together and tape it periodically, so that way it's all nice and tight. Feed it right up through here, and then right into one of these. I'm probably going to use the 20 amp breaker or fuse, just so I can get a little bit more amperage out of it. That way it's not overloading this panel with all 5 lights. Now obviously I know LEDs don't take up that much amperage anyway, but just want to be safe than sorry. So this thing's pretty sweet. You can unload, or if you have like a spare auxiliary battery and you want to run like a little air compressor tank or something like that, you can obviously put that on the switch. I mean, you can just do anything with this. You can do flash modes, like strobe modes, so like some safety lights. I could probably hook some of these up to a strobe mode if I wanted to. I am probably going to get some BRAHPTOR lights, or fender lights, and clearance lights, excuse me. So I could hook those up to a strobe mode if I wanted to, just so on the side of the road, put my hazards on or something, and have a cool effect, you know, more efficient. Also, train horns, you can have a temporary on-off, like a hold, instead of just toggle on and off. So that's pretty cool. All you have to do is like go into the settings, double tap something, and then it turns red, and then you hold it, and then yeah. So I don't have any train horns to put on there, but if you look it up, it's quite simple to do that. So anyways, let me get finished wiring these bumper lights up. Super simple install. Love the product, and it looks so good. It's on auxiliary right now, or battery, excuse me, but that's what they recommend you to put it on. So this right here, look at this. So simple. Stupid simple, listen. Stupid simple. I love it. And that mount, bro, oh my god, like solid as a rock. All of it is nice. Got a carbon fiber arms. Got this wire I can tuck back here a little bit more. I mean, and you can adjust these whichever way, because obviously these balls go any which way you want them to. So pretty sweet design. All right, got all the bumper lights wired in series here. So all I gotta do now is strip these ends, excuse me, and then plug it in, see what she does. All right, moment of truth. Let's go in here and test her out. In theory, it should be the second one right here. Oh, nope, it was the bottom one. So I think this panel switched backwards, which is okay. See that? Oh yeah, baby. Okay, also, let me point out my redneck ingenuity, okay? I'm from South Carolina. My neck's red, alright? So, anyways, I already have my catch can where I was going to mount it at earlier. And also, mounting it over here, I don't think it's feasible with all the moving parts, and when I get headers and be some extreme heat right here, or the twin turbo mount right here. Anyways, so what I did was mounted a zip tie to the battery handle. I can just cut that. Very stationary, not going anywhere. And then I drilled a little hole right here in the washer reservoir. Still closes, seals, and I just have it right on top of the battery. Alright, so guys, I'm sick as a dog. I got COVID. Welcome to the new year. But I've had these two modifications installed for a couple months now, about 2 months now. Had a lot going on, had a death in the family and everything like that, but yeah, I can say with an honest 2-month period review, they have been amazing. And the wireless car charger from Boost Auto, game changer. Man, just it looks awesome right here, and it performs pretty good. So this is right here is the MICTUNING switch panel as well. Oh, I have to have the truck on for this. Sorry, but yeah, that's how I wired it. I wired it with the truck on. But yeah, this thing right here, when the truck is on, that little LED right there will shine and it'll charge your phone wirelessly. Honestly love both of these. Alright, grab the keys. Boom, truck's on.
I need the ice and the cream. Kickin' shit, need the car, Billie Jean. Saying gang come with the Glocks to the beans. I be high and I'm fine on the scene. Money bulging and buzz out of jeans. Man, I need me a fast squeeze. Hold a piggy, I'm sipping my lean. And baby, it is what it seems. I'm on a whole nother level for sure. MMA like I'm hitting the with elbow.